December whispers winter cheers, frosty winds and won't appear. Baking scenes in the air unite, filling hearts with pure delight. Laughter echoes, friends embrace. Joyful spirit fill this space. Bells the signs of festive tunes. Gathering hits neath the silver moon. A season bright with love profound. In every corner magic is found. A very warm and pleasant evening to respected sir and all my dear friends. Today we have gathered here to celebrate one of the most awaited events of the year, Christmas. And with this I consent welcome you all to a day with festive cheers and wish you all a very Merry Christmas. With these lines, I would like to present one beautiful story of the birth of Jesus. Years ago, in the day when Herod was king of Judea, God sent the angel Gabriel to Nazareth in Galilee to a virgin named Mary. Angel Gabriel came to Mary and gave her a message from God.
Oh, my dear Mary, I am going to give you a message from the God. You will give a birth of child.
This message was surprising to Mary, but she was attentive and obedient.
How can I give birth to child? I'm virgin. What will people think about me?
He would be the Son of God. Give him name Jesus.
My soul magnifies Lord, and my spirit rejoices in God my Savior.
God bless you.
Mary, who was engaged to her soon-to-be husband Joseph, was surprised and confused as to how a child of God would be born to her. When she told Joseph, he didn't believe Mary's story. He was confused and hurt.
Joseph, I want to tell you something. Yesterday an angel came to my dream and told the God plan. They want that I will give a birth of child, and it will be the Son of God.
I can't believe this. How can this story be true? Yes, you are going to be a birth of a God's child.
Joseph was also worried that Mary was expecting a baby. Their marriage had taken place. At night, Joseph thought to himself to divorce Mary quietly. But then an angel appeared to Joseph in a dream and assured Joseph.
Joseph, the child you marry old is the Son of God, who would save their people of their sin. Make Mary as your wife and name the child Jesus.
When Joseph awoke from his dream, he did all that angel commanded. When the time of the birth drew near, Mary and Joseph had to travel to Bethlehem because of an order from the Roman emperor that a census would be taken in their hometown to count the people. Joseph took the pregnant Mary and they traveled on a donkey for several days. It was not an easy journey on Mary. Soon they arrived in Bethlehem and looked for a place to stay. But they were told that the inns were full.
The inns are full. So any traveling were in the towns. As for census, there is no place to stay. Where will you stay? You still my stubborns? Then you can go.
Mary and Joseph settled down on the hay in a stable and surrounded by animals. It was not long that Mary went into labor, and in the place where the animals slept, Mary gave birth to Jesus. Jesus was born in the stable in Bethlehem. Baby Jesus was laid in manger. Now when Jesus was born, a brand new bright star appeared in the sky. During this time, an angel appeared to three shepherds who were watching their flocks in the field near Bethlehem.
A good news, birth of Savior and Messiah, Jesus Christ.
The shepherds saw a shining star in the sky, and the shepherds immediately followed the star. As they went to find baby Jesus, the star led them to where baby Jesus was laid in a manger. The shining star rested over where Jesus was born. The shepherds knelt and worshipped the Savior and gave him gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. The birth of Jesus is celebrated yearly at Christmas time. Baby Jesus was Son of God, made man to save mankind. Thank you, everyone.